Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are walking through the complete ADP employee registration process. If you are a first-time user needing access to your pay stubs, W-2s, or company benefits, this guide will get you set up quickly and securely. First, open your web browser and search for ADP employee registration. Click on the official ADP portal from your search results. Once the site loads, navigate to the sign-in section. You will be prompted to select the option that best describes your current employment status. Choose the correct option from the drop-down menu and proceed. This brings you to the main login screen. Since you do not have an account yet, bypass the user ID field. Instead, look toward the bottom of the window and click on the Get Started link. You are now on the account creation page where you have two distinct paths. If your employer or HR department provided you with a specific registration code, select I have a registration code and enter it directly. If you were not given a code, select Find Me. This option allows the ADP system to locate your employee file using your email address, mobile number, or other personal identification. Enter the required details and hit search. From there, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You will verify your identity, confirm your contact information, and finally create your secure password and user ID. That is all there is to it. Your registration is complete, and your ADP dashboard is now accessible. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel here for more professional tutorials. See you in the next video.